Lake Country Manufacturing is well known for our lineup of premium polishing pads. The Precision Rotary pads are sized and designed for ease of use and maximum performance on rotary polishers. The LC Originals are also a great example of how our innovative team is always working to design and manufacture products that make your life easier. The LC Originals Precision Rotary pads have a unique shape to maximize performance, durability, flexibility, and accuracy when polishing. The pads are available in 8, 7, 6, and 4-inch sizes to work with the most popular rotary polishers. The LC Originals use a hook and loop attachment method and work with 2-inch, 3-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch, and also 7-inch backing plates. From yellow foam cutting to black foam finishing, there's an LC Originals foam pad to meet your rotary polishing needs. You can find the detailed aggression charts for the LC Originals pad lines on our website or in our catalog. Lake Country Manufacturing. Innovation to make life easier.